Hey guys, it's Sarah from Hair to Dream, and here's a yarn braid tutorial. But before that, here's how I did the star. The star is split in half, and each half is made up of two braids that come together. The right side is already complete, so when you do the left side of the star, just use the right side as a guide when making the lines. But when I started the right side, I just freestyled and tried my best to make the shape of half a star. So when you're done making the lines for the left side of the star, you'll split the left half into 3 sections. After splitting it into 3 sections, clip the top 2 sections out of the way. And then for that third section, you'll just start braiding it at a diagonal, just following the part line that you created. And once you are finished braiding all of the hair from the scalp in that third section, just continue braiding about ½ inch down and then tie with an elastic. Now take the top section out. That top braid is going to go down and across. When you're done with that top section, hold the braid in one hand and take the second section out so that you can continue that braid. And then you're just going to follow the part lines of the star that you made. When you finish with that section and you get towards the end, just continue to braid, and you are going to add that first braid that you did in the beginning to the bigger braid. And then just continue to braid about 2 inches down and then tie with an elastic. Then I took my yarn and I measured the length of her hair and added about 3 inches to that length. And then I looped it around my thumb, and that's 1, and then looped it again. That is 2, looped it again, that's 3, and I did this 25 times. When you're done with that, cut one end and then grab that thick strand of yarn by the middle and thread an elastic through so that it sits right at the middle. Next, you'll take a section from the top and tie it with an elastic. Then take the yarn and attach the yarn to the ponytail. Then, with the yarn on top, split the yarn into 3 equal sections, and then you'll start your Dutch braid. And you will add hair in from the sides, and if you did the star, you will add the braid in from the star when you get down to that point. And then you just braid all the way down and then tie with an elastic. And then when you're done, you can either leave the braids out, or I just decided to wrap them into buns. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tag Hair to Dream if you try it. Thanks.